And LATISHA on some websites is like $70. And I only pay like 20 something dollars on this. Like, I'm just saying. I'm not playing. I'm just saying. But alrighty. So this video is not going to be very long. This is just a review. Well, first of all, where the hell are my manners? Oh my gosh. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Also, I said I was never going to do a video this late before. This video is at like maybe 4 a.m., 5 a.m. And I have to literally work in like 3.5 hours. This is the wig, y'all. This is Lace Unit 32 from the Dashley collection from Sensationnel. And I got it in color Chunky Highlight Blonde. She has 2 combs on each side of the wig, adjustable straps in the back, and it's big head friendly. I got my beautiful color. You know, guys, I love me some brown hair with a couple of blonde highlights in the mix, because that's how we do blonde and we have fun without doing blonde. Blonde intimidates the hell out of me. So if I can do like a little bit of blonde with the majority of what makes me comfortable, then I'll be fine. Personally, I feel like they could have added more lace. Not more lace. What they could have added was more hair along the lace, like along the hairline, which would have been very helpful with like at least having a little bit to pluck from, or not even if you don't want to pluck, just to have enough to pull baby hairs from and it not look hella bald afterwards, because it looks hella bald. Long story short, the wig has just the center part and a little bit of lace, not very much at all. This is given LATISHA for 27 something. LATISHA, tell me I'm not wearing LATISHA. I mean, ignore the lace. Ignore the lace and then tell me I'm not wearing LATISHA. There's a couple of snags and tangles, but that's to be expected with such a, I would say, bombshell curl wig. Like, I feel like you're gonna get tangles with those. First of all, I feel like you're gonna get tangles with any synthetic wig. It's just what it is. But you really can't tell me that this is not LATISHA. Honestly, blown away. Because I've already owned LATISHA, and I didn't want to do a video on her since I already tried her, but I'm definitely going to, because I'm obsessed with LATISHA. I'm going to do a LATISHA soon in a different color. Probably like a Kim Possible cosplay type thing. And I'm going to show you, this is obviously all the hair to the front. Now I'm going to show you all the hair to the side. So from the side, you can see that she is super duper curly, dense, thick, all of that. Very big hair, lover friendly. So if you don't like big hair, skip this one. She does not show any tracks in the back. She hits me mid back length, and I'm 5'9", so yeah. Do I think she's going to last? No. Personally, I don't think she's going to last very long. Then again, she's yucky. She might surprise me. You never know. She might surprise me. She might shut me up. She might shut me down. Oh, she definitely did. Like, I cut her shorter a couple times because I just couldn't handle all that hair. But she lasted me since November of 2023. And it is April of 2024. Now, please don't get on me. I know the video should have been out earlier than that. But girl, she lasted. This is just a very quick review. Since I've done so many videos where I've shown plucking and I've shown how I get my hairline to look the way it does, when there's actually like lace to work with, how I work with my lace. And I just want to give y'all, you know, give y'all something short and sweet every now and then. Don't nobody want to be sitting for hours all the time. So yeah, I feel like this is probably like the best wig that you could get for the price that I paid. This is on par with LATISHA. This wig is on par with LATISHA, girl. And LATISHA on some websites is like $70. And I only pay like 20 something dollars on this. Like, I'm just saying. I'm not playing. I'm just saying. But I think this is a beginner friendly LATISHA dupe. Did y'all hear my elbow crack? I'm out here Rice Krispieing it up. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys for watching me so much. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that bell to be notified of all the videos I upload from this point on. I always stutter on that part, and I don't. Remember to stay prayed up. This world is crazy, and it's literally only getting crazier. Remember to pray for others, and if you don't pray, I urge you to give it a try. Do I say anything else? It's the 4 a.m. getting to me. I don't say anything else. This damn nose ring keeps falling out, and it's time for me to go pass out. So, peace. I can't believe I